Bray out on the right. He comes to him. Reed, who's gone down again, Bray. Cox. Blizzard. Went all the way! What a brilliant goal that was! Sidestepping defenders' challenges and then producing the most accurate of finishes to give Plymouth Argyle the lead.
Well, here's a player I mentioned in the first half. We hardly saw him breaking into the opposition penalty area. As Plymouth have grown into the game, we've seen Dominic Blizzards just get forward more and more. And this is really fancy footwork. No one in an orange shirt closing down. No one does enough to stop him getting his shots in. But still, he shows great presence of mind. It's not about thrashing this home. He passes it into that bottom corner. It is a brilliant finish.
Dominic Blizzards, in only his second season as a Plymouth Argyle player, scores only his second goal for them. And what an important strike it could be.